I'm Alex. Today we are going to be doing a 10-minute follow-along Taekwondo workout routine. This routine is going to be broken down into 5 different sections. Each section is going to be 2 minutes long. We're going to start off with warm-up cardio, moving on into some exercises with some stretching. Then we're going to do kicking cardio, leg control kicking, and then we're going to finish off with some endurance workouts. For this workout, you will just need maybe like a chair or just a wall, something to hold on to, just for the leg control part. Other than that, you just need a small little area and you can do this whole workout. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, we are starting off with our warm-up cardio, which is going to start off with 45 seconds of just freestyle footwork. I've got my timer right here. Ready and go. 45 seconds, just moving around, just footwork, nothing too crazy. Just kind of moving around, get your body loose. Just kind of bouncing, flowing just a little bit, staying light on your feet. Nothing too crazy, go at your own pace. It's just kind of warming up. There we go, keep going. We got about 15 seconds left. Moving around, nothing too crazy. Stay light on your feet. 5 seconds left. And time. Ready? We got 15 seconds. Catch your breath. All right. Next up, we're doing knee pumps. So just alternating, just bringing your knee up. 45 seconds for this. Ready and go. 45 seconds, just nice and easy. Just like this. Just keep your body moving. If you need to slow down, that's fine. If you're feeling good, speed it up then. Just keep a nice steady pace that you can maintain. Good, we got about 15 seconds left. There we go, keep it up. 5 seconds left. And time, good, catch your breath. All right, restart the clock. Section number 2, moving on to some exercises with stretching. First exercise, you're gonna do a squat into a side kick. It's gonna be next, we're gonna do that for a total of 40 seconds. Ready, go. Squat, side kick. Squat, side kick. It's back and forth. All right, guys, we only have 40 seconds of these squat to side kicks. Just make sure that you focus on good quality squat. It doesn't have to be super fast. And then just that side kick motion from side to side, alternating with the right and left. Almost done here. Just a few more seconds left. Hang in there. Nice. Almost there. And time. Good. We got 20 seconds of rest. Kind of shake your legs out. Stretch a little bit if you need to. We have 20 seconds. And then we're going to go into the next exercise, which is going to be a lunge into a front kick. And you can either alternate back and forth. I'm going to be doing kind of 2 on the right leg and then 2 on the left leg. Just make sure that you kind of do both sides somewhat equally. Just a simple, just lunge, come up, and front snap kick right to the front. Just like that. Just lunge and front kick. It doesn't have to be super fast. Just make sure you just keep your body moving, engage those legs. That's the whole point of this drill. We're almost there. Nice, a little bit longer. And time. Great job. We have 20 seconds to rest. Just shake it out, stretch if you need to. We are done with our leg exercise part. So next up, we are going to be doing some kicking cardio. These are just going to be, you go at your pace. If you have pretty good endurance, I would say kind of have a nice fast pace. Otherwise, just go at a pace that you can manage. We are going to be kicking for a total of 40 seconds, and then you'll get a breather. Alright, right leg repeating kick is going to be first. We're doing that for 20 seconds. And then we are going to switch over to the left. We're going to be doing a total of 40 seconds of kicking. So make sure you guys hang in there. Ready. Right leg kick. Let's go, let's go. Let's get that right leg kick going. Just stay at a nice steady pace. Like I said, if your endurance is pretty good, then bump it up. If not, just keep a nice pace that you can handle for these 40 seconds total of kicking. We're about to switch to the left in just a second. Ready, and switch to the left. Let's go. Left leg kick, left leg kick. The goal is to kick towards your waist. Left leg repeating kick. Just kind of hop that standing leg if you can. We're almost to the end. We just have a few more seconds left on this left leg, and then you guys will get a breather. Hang in there, hang in there. And time. Great job. All right. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Breathe. The next cardio kicking drill, we're going to be doing a roundhouse kick into an axe kick. All right. And then you're just going to alternate back and forth. So make sure you do the right leg and then switch to the left leg. We're going to be going for a total of 40 seconds. That right leg roundhouse kick to the body, then bring that axe kick up with that same leg. Ready, let's get ready, and let's go. Let's get those kicks moving. Roundhouse and then axe, and then just back and forth. This is good because you're having to go to the body and then pick that same leg up and go right to the head. Just alternate back and forth. Roundhouse to that axe kick. We're just going for 40 seconds like I said before. Just go at your own pace. That's why we're doing these time drills. So if you're more of a beginner, go at a pace you can handle. Nice. If this is too easy, then you better pick up the pace. We're almost there. A few more seconds left. Hang in there. Almost there. And then we're going to get a little break, a little breather. And time. Alright, you guys deserve a little bit of a break. We're going to breathe. The next thing we're going to be doing is our wall kick. So make sure you guys have a wall or a chair, just something you can place your hand on. If you need to pause the video real quick and go grab something, you can do that. But that's going to be next. I'm going to give you guys just a little bit longer of a break. We're going to be doing just a basic roundhouse kick. We're going to be doing 20 seconds on the right leg, then 20 seconds on the left leg. You're just going to go at a good pace, nothing too fast, but nothing too slow. Just a good controlled pace. Just kind of aim towards your body level. Nothing too crazy, just keeping that leg engaged. We're doing the right leg first, 20 seconds, then we'll switch to the left. Just keep a good chamber. Ready, right leg kick. Get in position and go. Right leg roundhouse kick. Good steady pace. Focus on just keeping good body posture, keeping that knee in place, not letting your knee move up and down. That's really the biggest thing for this one. We're about to switch to the left in just a second. And switch. Let's go to that left leg now. Right away, right away. I know your legs are burning. Right away to that left leg. Keep it up, keep it up. Extend and rechamber. Just out and back. We're almost done. I know your legs are burning. Mine are too. Almost there. And time. Good. Rest your legs. We've got 20 seconds. The next wall kick drill is going to be a low-high roundhouse kick. So just low-high. The biggest thing is just changing levels. Right leg first for 20 seconds. And let's go. Let's go. Right leg low-high. Just change levels. Change levels. And then we're going to switch to the left in just a little bit. So be ready. Be ready. Make sure you're working those two different levels on that kick. Just low, high, then reset. Keep it going. Keep it going. We're about to switch to the left in just a second. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go ahead and switch right away to that left. Right away. Right away. Keep those kicks going. Keep those kicks going. We are almost there. Almost there. Make sure you change levels. I know your legs are getting really heavy by now. We're almost done. A couple seconds left. And time. Good. Rest up, rest up. The last and final section is going to be endurance. It's going to be 2 minutes straight. So we're going to be doing 4 different exercises. Each exercise is going to be 30 seconds long. We're going to do them back to back to back to back. All right, this is going to be a little tough, but this is going to be kind of our burnout endurance. Like I said before, go at your pace during each exercise. If you need to slow it down, that's completely fine. The goal is to just keep your body moving. That's really the goal. Keep your body moving. First up, we're doing jumping jacks. Then we're going to do burpees, then running knees, and then jump squats. I'll let you guys know when to switch. First up is jumping jacks. All right, just a good pace of jumping jacks. Hands go all the way up, all the way back down to your sides. 30 seconds. And go. Let's go. Jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Like I said, the goal is to stay moving. Next up after this, we're going to go right into burpees. You don't have to do a push-up. Just get your leg, kick your legs back, and then come right back up with a small little hop. All right, we're almost to the burpees. Ready, get ready, and let's go. Burpees, let's go right away. You don't have to go super fast, just keep that body moving. Keep that body moving. They don't have to be pretty either. Just keep it moving, keep it moving. Next up after the burpees, we're just going to do a light, just running knees in place. Nothing too crazy. Just to kind of keep our bodies just active. We got to stay moving. This is our last little bit, Almost there. Get ready for those running knees in just a second. And let's go right away, right into those running knees. Just a nice, good pace. Almost like you're jogging in place. Use this time to try to catch your breath. We're almost to the end. We only have one more exercise left after this, and it's going to be jump squats. They're going to suck, but it's our last exercise. We can do it. Got to push through. We are almost there. Get ready for those jump squats. Ready and go. Jump squats. Wide right away, right away, right away. Get those jump squats in. Bend down and jump right up. Do the best you can. Make it work, make it work. My legs are burning. I know yours are too. Just keep going. We only have a few more seconds left. This is our final exercise. Few seconds left. Hang in there. Knock out a couple more reps if you can. And time. Good job. We are done with the 10-minute workout. You guys did awesome. Thank you so much for following along through this workout. I suffered with you, so I hope you all did get a good workout in. I do apologize, my mic messed up halfway through into this workout, or actually towards the beginning of this workout, so I'm doing a little voiceover for you guys, but I hope you guys did get a good little exercise in. If this is a little bit too easy for you, then I recommend you doing this 10-minute routine like as a warm-up before you do your regular workout, or you can also always do a couple sets of this, so do this whole routine like 3 to 5 times. If this was a little hard for you, that's completely fine. This is a good starting point for you then. It's a lot of stuff kind of jam-packed in, but you guys did really good. You hung in there, and like I said before, I hope you guys got a really good workout in. It was a good mix of cardio and some strength. This is really good. My body feels nice and warmed up. It focuses on obviously a little bit of cardio, a little bit of body weight strength stuff, and then also cardio kicking, and then the leg control kicking. So good little mix of everything for your kick training, cardio training. So it was really good. Hope y'all did enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more like this, and I'll make some more. Whew, hope you guys had a good workout. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. I'm tired. I'll see you guys later.